Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And I've been asked the question, how do you go about detecting a slab leak, a water leak underneath the slab foundation of your house? And it's a matter of deduction. First of all, as long as you have a shutoff valve in your house that works, the first thing you would do is you would shut that shutoff valve off, go out to the water meter and see if it's still spinning. If it's still spinning, then it might not be a slab leak at all. It could be a leak in your water line. If it stops spinning, then you would turn that valve back on, watch it spin again. Then you would go to your hot water heater and shut the valve off to it. If the leak stops when you turn the water off to the hot water heater, that tells you you have a hot water slab leak. And the good thing about that is hot water slab leaks are easier to find. Lots of times you just get a heat laser gun and you point it on the floor and you look for the hot spot. The hot spot tells you where the leak is. If it's a big leak, they're usually fairly easy to find. Sometimes we drill a few small holes in the concrete slab and we're looking for mud, we're looking for water. If it's a very small leak, sometimes we refer the job to a company that's what they specialize in, and they have some very specialized, good listening equipment that they can hear drips, and about 85% of the time we can find them ourselves. If we can't, we would recommend another company. Once we find the leak, then we'd give you an estimate to do what's necessary to fix the leak. The good thing about slab leaks, if there is such a thing, is they are almost always covered under insurance, which helps. Again, this is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing. Hope you don't have any leaks, but if you do, give us a call. Thank you very much. Bye.